Hi friends, welcome to the quiz star. Let's check your observation skills. Can you find the odd one out? A super fruit addition. There are three levels: easy, medium, and hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Start with the easy level. Find the odd cherry within given time. Wow, super catch, easily find. Find the odd one, 07. Come on, fruit lovers, can you complete the easy level? Nice catch, easily find. Find the odd banana. Come on, my genius viewer. Come on, quiz lover. Wow, perfect. Find the odd letter XT within given time. Excellent, perfect, easily find. Nobody can find 35 only 15 seconds. Come on, genius, come fast. Come on, genius viewer. Wow, super genius viewer. Find the odd fruit emoji. Well done, easily find. Come on. Find the odd orange. Wow, super catch. Come on, genius. Are you focus master? Find 42. Come on, my genius viewer. Come on. Wow, my genius viewer, easily find. Find the odd fruit emoji. Wow, super. Challenge your eyes, find 16. Perfect, super fast eyes. Challenge your eyes, find 3B. Come on, genius. Super genius, complete the easy level. Medium level start. Find the odd orange. Come on, my genius viewer. Wow, perfect, orange is find. Test your brain, find 163. My question is very hard, but my viewer is super genius. Come on, my super genius. Perfect, my super genius. Come on. Test your observation skills, point 210. Like, easily find. Find the odd emoji within given time. Come on, genius, come fast. Wow, emojis find. Find the odd letter BAB. Come on, my genius viewer. Super catch, my genius viewer. Find the odd one, 797. Excellent, perfect. Find the odd number, 450. Nice catch, easily find. Come on, genius. Pick the odd number, 440. Wow, super fast eyes. Anybody can find 909. Come on, genius, come fast. Wow, genius viewer, complete the medium level. Start with the hard level. Find the odd fruit emoji. My genius viewer, come on, can you complete the hard level? Super genius viewer. Pick the odd one. Come on, genius. Wow, a super catch. Pick the odd one, find double 25. Wow, easily find, genius viewer. Find the odd fruit emoji within given time. Wow, fruit emojis find. Find the odd one, only 15 seconds. Super catch, easily find. Find the odd one, 57. Nice catch, genius viewer. Find the odd fruit. Wow, fruit lovers easily find. Test your eyes, find 6688. My question is hard, but my viewer is genius. Come on, genius. Wow, perfect, genius. Anybody can find 8686. Nice catch, fast eyes. Puzzle master can find 6464. Wow, super catch, the puzzle master. Find the odd one. Wow, easily find. Nobody can find. Come on, genius. Excellent, super eyes. Find the odd one. Wow, genius viewer, fast eyes. Can you find 37? Perfect, super catch. Find the number 9393. Wow, perfect, sharp eyes. Pick the odd number. Come on, genius. Excellent, picking master. Challenge your fast eyes. Come on, my genius viewer. Wow, perfect, genius viewer. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Please like, subscribe and share. Next challenge.